Nobody knows drag racing like Mickey Thompson tires. You'll find our tires in the winner's circle at drag strips across the country and around the world. And more weekend sportsman racers are relying on Mickey Thompson to get them there all the time. Now, we've used our extensive experience at all levels of competition to develop a tire specifically to meet the needs of the bracket, open comp, and index racing competitor. The Pro Bracket Radial. The Pro Bracket Radial's low rolling resistance makes them quicker and faster than their bias ply equivalents. And rollouts are always the same, so there's no need to match pairs of tires. No tubes are required, and the radial construction offers greater top-end stability. They're available in 5 15-inch wheel fitments, from 26 by 8.5 to 29.5 by 10.5.
Consistency in our class is very important. With the Pro Bracket Radials, we haven't had to change any suspension. We did 5 back-to-back runs, and we only saw 18 thousandths of a difference on the 60-foot.
The Mickey Thompson Pro Bracket Radial is engineered to be fast, consistent, reliable, and affordable for any sportsman racer.
I don't see any reason to go back to bias ply tires. We found that we picked up 3 miles an hour, and we've had tremendous success with the Pro Bracket Radials.
The Mickey Thompson Pro Bracket Radial is everything you're looking for in a consistent, quick, affordable sportsman tire. The Pro Bracket Radial. Be a part of the legend.